and welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you how to use view data in IBM SPSS Modeler. My name is Astrid Cook and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So did you know there's an easy way to view and explore your data in IBM SPSS Modeler? All you need to do is right-click on a node and select View Data. View Data will give you the opportunity to explore and understand your data. It has multiple chart types and multiple tools that you can use. So let's see how this works in IBM SPSS Modeler. So now I'm in Modeler, and to get started, I want to right-click on a node and click on View Data. So this brings up the View Data window, and it lets me know that I need to choose a chart, or I can select from the fields in my data set. So if I decide to select from fields, I will come down, I'll select Income, and I'll click on Visualize Data. And now you can see it's given me a histogram. And in the histogram, I have a distribution curve and I have a kernel density estimation curve. Now, this tool is interactive. So if I wanted to split income by, for example, how paid, now I get two side-by-side histograms. And you also notice if you look at the chart type area, where you see a dot, this is for suggested charts. Also, if you decide to start over, you can click on this button and I'll click continue. And we're back to that original screen. Now, what I will do is I can select box plot and I can split by how you're paid and I have a box plot. So you can see it's very easy to work with view data. Also, you can give this a title, you can give it a subtitle, and you can give it a footnote. Now, perhaps I want to use a relationship map. So here I've just selected the chart type. So I will select, first of all, marital status. I will add another column. I can select how paid. I will add another column, and I will select risk to categories. This allows me to look at the relationships between categorical variables. What we're looking for is heavy links or thick links. You can see here, if I hover my cursor over bad risk, we can see the count. Here, I hover it over monthly. I can see the count for monthly. And then if I hover it over the link between bad, risk, and monthly, I can see the count. So this is a quick way to begin to examine relationships between categorical variables. We can see there's a strong relationship between bad risk and being paid weekly, bad risk and being married, bad risk and being paid monthly. Now, if you want, you can also download the chart image here so you can save it. Or if you decide that you want to start over, just click on the Start Over button. Now, what I want to do is I'll choose another chart type. So let's look at a theme river. So on my x-axis, I want to put age, and I want to look at how paid. And what you will notice is that once we get age 40, age 41, and older, many more respondents are paid weekly. So here I'm looking at age 48, 6 are paid monthly, 39 are paid weekly. Again, you can save these images, you can give them a title, you can give them the subtitle, and you can give them a footnote. Also, you can change the look of the image. So if I go here, this is global visualization preferences. Perhaps I want to change the theme, and I can change that theme as well. Also, we have here spreadsheet. So if I want to see the data in a spreadsheet fashion, I can do that. We also have a data audit. So this allows you to see every single field in your data set. For instance, I can look at income. I can see the minimum, the maximum value. I'll click on data quality. This is very useful for data examination and data understanding. And I can see the number of valid records. I can see percentage complete. I can see outliers and extreme cases. And I can see how each field is treated in terms of measurement. Let me close out of this window. So don't forget, if you want to view your data, just right-click on a node and select View Data. Remember, this brings up the View Data window, and you have the option to select the columns you want to visualize or the chart type. You can also see your data in spreadsheet format, and you can also obtain a complete data audit. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information, you can go to our website at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.